the the potential difference graph for an ideal diode, and the graph has been labeled at 3 separate points by the letters X and Y and Z, at which point is the resistance of this diode infinite. So it means that resistance has an infinite value. So it means the minimum current, so it might be 0. So if you look at the point X, there is no change in the value of the current, so the current equals 0 at this point. And for Z, we notice there is a value for the voltage, and the y-axis there is a value for the current, so Z is wrong. And for Y, we found there is a value for potential difference, voltage, across the diode, but there is no value for the current, so the current is 0 as well. So in this case, to have a value which is infinite value of resistance, the minimum current which is 0, so the correct answer is A.